Yeah, let's start with today's session. Today's agenda will be to get to know about artificial intelligence, share some examples, know how machines learn, and do a couple of activities. So, if I think you guys must have already done a session with Kritika ma'am, right? On day one of AI. Can you respond to me in chat? I can see a lot of yes. Okay, no, I can see no as well. Okay,
Yep.
he says no. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. So don't worry if you have not attended that session. We will do a quick review of what was covered in that class as well. Okay, so don't worry. So let's head to what is artificial intelligence. So how many of you know what an artificial intelligence is? Can I get like a thumbs up on the screen? Like, can I get a thumbs up? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can see that a lot of you know. Okay, so can you give me an answer in a couple of lines in the chat? What is an AI or artificial intelligence?
AI or artificial intelligence. I can explain it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so AI or artificial intelligence is robots trying to be as good as are as good as humans. So it also means that it also can be robots that have an equal number of intelligence as humans
Very good,
and do
very good.
exactly what humans do.
Yeah, I can see a lot of response in chat as well. Very good, guys. So that it can be like a human, right? A robot with human intelligence. Very good. Yes. Mohita says AI stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to the development of computer system that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good.
You have to open your mic.
So I know that.
AI is a part of computer programming.
Okay, almost. So yeah, before getting into AI and everything, let's just first understand what is coding. I know many of you know this answer. Very simple. If you know what an AI is, you obviously know what coding is, right? A quick response in the chat for what is coding.
Coding is when you try to speak a computer's language to make a computer do something that you want it to do.
Very good. Okay, Ashmita, I saw that you raised your hand. Can you please unmute and speak?
Ma'am, coding is a language that helps us to communicate with computer.
Very good, very good. That exactly it is the language of computers, right? We give a set of instruction to the computer to perform some tasks. That is what coding is. Okay, now let me see in the chat. Okay, robot that helps in the really questions. Okay, I can see that you guys have answered a lot. Very good. Yes. Coding tells a machine which actions to perform. Lakshanya, okay, very good. Yeah, okay, very good. Mishika, I can see that making robot learn. Okay, is that really what coding is? Coding is more like the instructions that we give, right? Machine learning is something like how we make the robots learn, right? Okay, let's go ahead. It's a step-by-step process of giving instructions to the computer. So you tell, okay, this is the step 1, this is the step 2, this is the step 3 and 4, and finally you get the result that you want. So here you are using step-by-step instructions, right? So that the computer can perform a task for you. So you have to specifically tell all these steps. So that is what coding is. Is it clear? Can I get a yes or no in the chat? Yes. Okay. Sila says yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hrisha. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now let's go ahead. Yeah, we already discussed what an AI is, right? AI is a part of computer science that makes machine seems like they have human intelligence. Okay, so that means if we have to understand what artificial intelligence is, we have to individually understand the word artificial and intelligence. So can any of you tell me what artificial means?
It's not real. It's
Okay, it's not real. Okay, and another response. Come on, can I get more response?
But it has a
not real.
it can tell us answers like if you ask anything from it.
Okay.
It's man-made. It's man-made.
Yes, very good. Yes, that is very much correct. Okay, I can see the response in the
It's
chat.
not real. It's like it's not human.
Okay, artificial means that is something made by humans, right? For example, the chair that you are sitting on, is it made by a human?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, just 1 minute. More
Yes.
people to admit. Yes, so artificial means something that is human made. Can you tell me if we all in this meeting right now, are we intelligent?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I see the chat? Yes, yes. Okay. Lakshanya says yes. Ashmita, yes. Mohita, yes. Praveet, okay, very good. Okay, somebody is saying yes or no. Okay. Okay, so why do you think we are intelligent? What are the qualities that make us intelligent? Can you respond in chat?
The things we do.
Things we do, okay, what kind of things? Brain, okay, having brain, learning, very good. Things we learn, right? Logical thinking, very good. Savvy, say, okay. Giving commands, okay, I can see so many response. So one of it is that we are able to learn, right? And yes,
Ma'am, can I tell what makes us intelligent?
yeah, sure, please go ahead.
Our analytical thinking and critical thinking.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay, so yes, there are certain things that make us intelligent. One of it is that we are able to learn, right? Another is that we are able to acquire knowledge. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
when you were let's just say your mom taught you how to brush your teeth, right? So after like a couple of times that she made you do, you are able to do it on your own, right?
Yes.
That is because you were able to learn it, right? So you are able to learn from your surroundings. You are able to observe new things around you. So that is what make you intelligent. No, now to make something artificially intelligent means what is that? We have to combine something that is human made with intelligent. For example, we make machine intelligent, right? Or robots intelligent. So can any of you tell me some examples of artificial intelligence?
Sophia.
Sophia, very good. Yes. Okay. Kushagra says Sophia.
Alexa.
Leo says Siri. Yeah. Okay. Alexa. Sanvi says Alexa. Very good. Chat GPT. Nicholas. Yes. Okay. Google Home. Wow. Lot of responses. Yeah. Alexa. Okay.
Bixby.
Okay. Bixby. Okay. So these are the different examples of AI around us, right? Okay. Now, can any of you tell me how do machines learn?
Using data.
Okay, using data. Okay.
Using machine learning.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. More response in the chat, please.
Coding.
Not through coding. It could be a bit different than that. Yeah.
From coding, we give the computer what to do and what to learn. So technically, isn't that we're using coding that the computer is learning?
Okay. So if you are using coding, that means you are the person instructing the machine what to do, right? But for machines to learn, it has to act just like a human. It has to surround itself, in an environment where it can learn its own. So it can't do that from coding. So that wouldn't be the correct answer. Coding is when you specifically give instructions, right? So I wouldn't say that will be the answer. Okay, let me see in the chat more answers. Through experience. Neva is saying through experience. Very good. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Using graphics and data. Okay, very good. Algorithms. Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay.
Can I say
Yeah, okay. Please go ahead, Mishika.
people make the robots learn by data,
Right. Okay.
giving the robot data.
Right. Through data, it is able to learn from the examples, right? The examples they are given, the machines are able to learn. Now, what are the different kind of ways through which machine learn? I will go ahead with the first one. One is supervised learning. Any of you know about supervised learning?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
please respond in chat. Okay, Lean says no worries. We will get into that as well. Lot of no. Okay. So, okay, let us understand what supervised learning is. For example, I am giving 10 examples of how. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So let's just say,
Yes.
okay, thank you so much. Okay. So let's just say I give 10 examples to a computer on how a car looks like. Okay. And then I give 10. Please don't draw on the screen, Rodi. Please don't do that. Yeah. So, and I gave another 10 example of a cup. Okay. So I tell the computer, okay, this is how a car looks like, and these are the 10 examples of how a cup look like. Now I give a random picture of a cup or a car. Then the computer or the machine is able to tell if it is a cup or a car. So that means I'm training the machine, right? I'm giving certain set of examples, right, to identify. So that is how supervised learning works. Is it clear now? Can I get in the chat? Right. Supervised learning. Lakshanya is saying supervised learning means when you give a label to show what it is. Correct. You are telling, okay, this is how a car looks like, and see, this is how a cup look like. You are classifying the data, right? Just 1 minute. More people are entering. Okay. So yes, I think that is pretty clear. Now talking about unsupervised data, learning, unsupervised learning, right? So what is that? It is opposite to supervised learning. Nobody is teaching you, right? So for example, let's just say I give the machine a list of names along with the marks they have scored in their exam. Okay, so then what do the machine do? It will club the data together, that is the scores which are above 60 together, the score which are below 40 together, and the score which are between 40 and 60 together. So have we told the computer or the machine to do that? We haven't. It is finding patterns on its own, right? So that is how unsupervised learning works. Okay, is it clear? Can I get a response in the chat?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Such brilliant kids I have in the session. Very good. Okay, now, so today is Play with AI, right? In the last session that we had, or in the day 1 of AI, you guys learned so much of what an AI is, what is machine learning, how do machine learning work, and so much of it. But in today's class, you're going to do activities. Is that exciting?
Yes.
Can I get a thumbs up on the screen? Yeah, everybody? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now let me just check the chat. Okay, fine. So to do this activity, I would be sharing a link Just hold on for 1 minute. Please don't draw on the screen. I'll just give you the link.
How do you get on the link?
I haven't put the link on the chat. I will be doing it just now. Yes, I have put the link on the chat. Can you all click on the link? Okay.
Where is it?
In the chat, please check the
Yes.
chat. Okay.
I can't see it.
It's not there.
It's not there.
It's not there on the
not sent it yet.
It's
there.
Oh, wait, just 1 minute. Okay. What about now? What about now?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Yes, all of you, please click on the link.
Playground is me. Playground. It's good. Ma'am, now what is there something we should click?
Yes, please click on the link. I'm waiting for everybody to click on the link. Okay.
No, ma'am, after we enter the link, like there are two options.
You have to, if you click on the link, you will be automatically redirected to that website, right?
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
there are some buttons like home, about, and terms.
Right. Okay, just stay there. Is everybody on the page right now?
Just load them because I think
Yeah.
is taking too much from the internet. Interactive.
What's for the project name thing?
Is this
Okay, just wait. Let everybody be on the same page. Okay. I hope everybody have reached this website. Okay. Now what do? You scroll down. Okay. And you can see open playground.
This
Then
is-
you have, yeah, you have to click on that
Right.
link. Yes. Okay. Everybody have opened the project?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
we are going to do an activity called as face sensing today. Okay. So using face sensing, you would be able to tell what is the emotion that face is having. For example, I can look very happy like this. I'll be very sad like this. When I'm angry, I'll look like this, right? So I'll be creating a project which can tell my feelings. Okay. Is that okay?
Okay.
Now,
Yes.
I want you guys to choose a character. I'll be going with jellyfish.
Open this.
Okay, I'll be going with jellyfish. And as a background, please mute yourself. Please
Excuse me.
talk in. Yeah, yes.
Where did you help her to find this scratch?
It is in the link given in the chat.
Also open playground.
Yes. After you click the link, you will be redirected to the website, and then you have to scroll down and click on open playground. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, please talk to me in chat so that I can respond to everybody. I see. Yes, if there is any question, please type in the chat. Okay, I don't see any as of now. So I'm going to head back to Scratch. Okay, and I'm going to choose a backdrop. Let's see, underwater. Okay. And I'm going to choose this background. So I have a jellyfish with the underwater background. Okay. Now I'm going to go choose when the green flag clicked, right? That's the first block that we will use, because I'm going to specify whatever blocks I'm going to put after the when green flag clicked happens when I press this green flag. I'm pretty sure all of you are familiarized with Scratch, right?
Yes.
Ashmita, please choose this character because we will be changing the color of jellyfish with each emotion.
Okay, ma'am.
Adya, please remove the sprite which is already there. Okay. To fill on Google Forms, Gerard, I would instruct all of that by the end of the session. Please, please be patient. Yes, so everybody here knows how to use Scratch. So yes, take the when green flag clicked, and I'll be having 4 emotions. Okay, one is feeling, let's say, happy. One is angry. One is disgusting, and another is fearful. So I have 4 options. So if I have 4 conditions, or 4 things to detect, which is the coding concept I will use to represent each and every one of them?
Variables.
Variable is not the correct answer. If I have 4 conditions with me and I have
Looks.
Next block.
If else.
block.
yes,
Next.
yes, please respond in the chat because there is overlapping of sound.
Next, can I say?
Yes, please respond in chat, please, so that everybody can see. Somebody saying looks, that is not correct. Looks is not correct. Look is sensing is not correct. But I heard so many of you say the correct answer.
Control.
Mhm.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, please go ahead.
If else block.
Yes, very good. Yes, that is the correct answer. We are going to use conditionals, right? If else, okay.
Okay.
So since I have 4, everybody please mute your mic because I have a lot of interference coming. So please mute your mic. Okay, thank you so much. So since I have 4 conditions with me, I'll be taking 4 if blocks, okay?
Yeah, that's the controls, isn't it?
Yes, correct. We can find the if block in conditionals. Okay, and one more thing, I want it to keep on checking my emotions on my face. So which block will I be using? I'll be using a forever block. Why? Because I want the AI to keep on checking what emotion is on my face. So that's why I'll be using a forever block. Yes, please type in the chat because I'm not able to hear everyone at a time. So please respond in chat. Okay, can I continue? Please type yes or no.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, we
Eva-
should
yeah.
copy you, right?
Yeah. Yes, please. Yes. Please do these things in the background. I hope everybody is doing it. Yes, Kushagra. Okay, thank you.
Are we doing controls or emotions?
We have to go on control where you can find the forever block and the if then block. Okay.
Okay. So one key, something pressed.
Okay. So now what do? I scroll a bit towards the bottom. I can see a place where I can add the extension, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here I'll be clicking over there and then I'll be able to see face sensing extension. Okay. And I'm going to click on it.
Ma'am,
yeah.
Ma'am, where should we click again? I learned this as well.
Okay. Now, what do you see? Here you can see a blue square, right? You click on it again, you go to face sensing. So please everyone choose this extension. Okay. So have everybody done till here?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the camera is open.
Sorry, what?
The camera is opening for me in Scratch.
Yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, that will happen because the camera is required to see what is the emotion on our face, right?
Yeah, I mean it's not open for you. It doesn't look open for you, so I was confused if it's supposed to be.
Oh, okay, okay. Let me just
Ma'am, the camera is not open for me.
okay, just 1 minute.
Miss?
Yes, yes, yes. Just 1 minute.
Are you here?
Just 1 minute.
Feeling, one feeling. Okay.
Mm,
Is it the feeling one on the face sensing?
just 1 minute. I'll get back just right now. Just give me 1 minute.
Please,
I'm having a bit of trouble with my camera, so I'm just figuring it out. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Please stay here. Just 1 minute.
you need to be.
Yes, it's working.
You can see other teachers, other students, not all of them. Carry on. You want to stay here? Carry it. Let me go and get your mommy's. Maybe use your mommy's.
Headphones. Why isn't it working?
So are you all able to see, the camera open for you in Scratch? Can I get a yes or no in the chat?
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
For me, it's like a condition. So there is this small button.
It's not for me.
Okay,
There's this
okay.
small button. Then
Yeah.
when I click on it, it's stopping and it's getting recorded, and a video is getting downloaded for me automatically.
Okay, don't press that red button. No need to press that red button. I just want to know if you are able to see yourself on the screen, on the
I
output
can see
screen.
myself on the sprite background.
Yeah, okay, that is exactly what I need. So can any of you volunteer, since that camera is not activating for me right now? Maybe I can
Okay, I
use.
can share screen.
Ma'am,
Oh.
I can share it.
Okay, so many of you
My
offering.
camera is not working.
So have you given the permission for the camera?
Yeah.
Yes. Ma'am, I have given the permission. I have even clicked on allow, but it's
Yeah,
still
me too.
showing the camera.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
I-
clicked on allow, but it's still not showing the camera.
Okay.
Try share screen.
I would urge everybody of you who are not able to access the camera to refresh the Scratch, okay? And then see, because I just tried refreshing mine and then it started working. So let me just share my screen again.
Are
It
you
doesn't
here?
work that well, the
See?
face. The thing. It doesn't
So
work.
just refresh, okay? Just refresh like this.
But ma'am, I have like a blue screen.
Okay, just wait 1 more minute. Refresh. After that, go to extension, take the face sensing. So once face sensing is here, I can see myself. Now I'll be taking the characters. So can you all try that?
How do you do it?
You go to this blue square over on the top left corner, take the extension face sensing, right? And then choose the character.
Ma'am,
How?
when I refresh my screen, it started. Ma'am, can I don't understand. Ma'am,
So-
can I
See, can you see the blue square over here?
Yes.
You click on
Yeah,
it,
it's the same for me. It's
you
the same.
scroll down, and see face sensing, you click on it. That is how it works. So I'm going to continue because we have a constraint on the time. So I'm gonna start arranging my blocks once again. So in
Ma'am,
forever
can I tell
blocks,
something?
yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, there's an in my face sensing, there's an exclamatory mark. When I click on it, it shows error looking for device, and it's when it is a refresh button. When I click on it, it doesn't work and it shows me loading.
I think that is an error with your computer. So please, focus on the on my screen so that you can learn from here, right? So I'm gonna continue. So what are the 4 different emotions I have? One is feeling joyful. So I'm just gonna use sad, okay? And then I'm gonna choose another one from over here, feeling, let's just say angry, okay? Then I'm gonna take feeling fearful, okay? And then what is the next one I have? Let's just say disgusted. So these are the 4 emotion that the machine is going to detect, okay? And let's see how we can let's see if we can make the jellyfish change the color according to my feelings. So if I'm feeling sad, let's just see what are the costumes I have in jellyfish. See, these are all the costumes that I have, right?
Ma'am,
So
the
if I'm,
white one is happy, right?
yes, white one is happy. This red one is kind of angry, right? Angry
Yeah.
looking. This one is kind of like it's
Fearful.
right. Yeah, like I'm kind of awestruck over here.
Scared.
So right now this one would be sad. So I'll be using costume A for sad face, okay? So I'll be saying if the AI detects that my face is showing sadness, then switch the costume to, which is the costume? Can I
The
get a
A.
response in
The
chat?
first one.
Miss, it still didn't work for me.
Sorry, I didn't get that. One more time, please.
It didn't work for me.
What is not working for you?
My face sensing.
Wait for the blocks to complete. Okay, let me arrange all the blocks. Please follow me over here. Now, sadness is done. Now, the costume for angry. Which one was it? It was C, right? Jellyfish. Yes.
I'm trying to write the name of my person, but it doesn't show up.
Where are you trying?
I'm trying to write the name like you wrote jellyfish. I'm trying to write the name. It doesn't show up.
Okay, so see over choose a sprite. Just type jellyfish. See, you get the option over here. So you have to mind the spelling as well. Okay. So continuing the class, jellyfish C would be angry. So I'll be coming back to the code and I'll be taking switch costume to C, right? Now for fearful, which is the costume? Can any of you tell me in the chat?
B.
I'm not getting any response in the chat.
B.
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 Okay. So going with costume B, and disgusted would be?
I think it should be joyful actually.
Right.
Yes.
So yeah, we can try joyful, right? I think we have a costume for that. That would be D,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
exactly.
Now let's take this. Okay, let's see if it is working or not. So I'm happy over here, right? Let me try fearful. Okay, it's not detecting. 1 minute. Okay, it's not working. Is it working for you guys?
Let me check.
No. No, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
it's working.
okay, it is kind of detecting for me now.
Yeah, me too.
See, I'm smiling. It is turning to white. And let me see fearful. Okay, it's not now. Wait. Okay, it is kind of, yes, it is coming.
Ma'am, it's not working for angry and sad. It is showing the same angry and
See, angry is working for me.
ma'am without making an angry face.
No, I made it earlier. It's loading a bit later. That's why I'm getting like this.
For me, it's doing continuously. I don't know what's up.
Same, ma'am. It's not working for angry and sad.
Okay, try to make a sad face.
Ma'am, it's working for me.
Ma'am,
Okay, great.
sad is showing angry and angry is showing sad.
That's because of the detection. It will it's kind of detecting what's coming from your face. So try to be more like full of emotion when you're trying to do it, right? Okay, so I would be ending this activity right now. I'll be coming over the next activity. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen again.
I needed to close my project and do it all again right now because my project did not work at all.
Okay, so you can try it once again after the session, right, Mishika? Was that you?
Me too, it didn't work.
Just giving the link for the next activity in the chat right now.
Ma'am, for this, do we need to submit this somewhere? So we should keep the link or something?
Just save it at your end. The form will be given back to you. I don't think you need to submit it anywhere. So just one more minute. Let me give the link in the chat.
Hello.
Okay. Did all of you get the chat? I mean the link in the chat? Okay.
The project name and link.
I don't.
Do you see the link right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should just paste it.
Ma'am, it's the form, right?
It's the what?
It's the form.
Not the form. It is a link to the next activity that we will be doing.
Yeah, okay, I saw it.
Okay. So this is a example of supervised learning that we are going to do. We will be. Yeah.
This link that you sent in the chat, should we paste it in, share the project name and link in the form?
Just wait right now. Okay, we will reach there. Just stick with me. Let me continue with the class.
It's a project.
It's a project that we are supposed to do. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to a website, right? Just stay over there.
What are we supposed to do?
Yes, just 1 minute.
Ma'am, when I click on the link, it is showing session expired.
Try once again. Try once again.
Ma'am, I already have an account here. I think.
Ma'am, I also have an account here.
Okay,
But then
okay,
it's
great.
saying
Me
it's
too.
wrong username for some reason.
You can try without an account as well. Okay. How do you do that? You can just, you might be seeing this page, right? So you can try without registering. So you can click on try it now. Okay. Everybody, can I get a response in the chat?
Try it now. Try it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to continue with this. So how do I make a project? I click on add a new project. Okay. And then I'm going to write the name of my project. So I'm going to write feeling.
Can you send it again? It's not there. Can you send it again?
Okay, sure. Just 1 minute. I'm sending the link again.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Click on the link. You will be redirected to the website. And I reach the point where I can give the project name. So what kind of project are we going to do? We are going to create a chat bot that is going to detect how you are feeling. So I'm going to write the name feeling detector. And what will it detect? It will detect from the text. So if it is asking me, how are you feeling? And I'm saying I am happy. That means I am, I am happy, right? So it will be saying something in return. So it will detect if I am happy or sad based on the text I am giving. So I'll be using the word text over here. So it will be recognizing text. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, instead of having the project name as feeling detector, could we also have it as mood detector?
Sure, you can give the project name as you want. Okay. Now I'll be going over the create button. Okay. Can everybody confirm in the chat if they have reached till here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay.
ma'am,
Good. Good.
how do we access machine learning without an account?
Okay. For that, see this. Just 1 minute. This is the page that you will be getting, right? This one. So here you can see try without registering. You have to click on try it now. That is how you do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I see a lot of yes. Thank you for the response. So I'm going to I'm going to continue. Okay. So once I have given the project name as well as, in the recognizing session as text, I'll be clicking on create. Okay, so that project is created. So what is my project name? Feeling detector. So whatever project name you have given, it would be showing for you. It could be mood detector, it could be chatbot, anything that you have named it, right? So I can see the project over here. After that, I'll be clicking on the project created. Now I can see 3 options in front of me: train, learn and test, and the other one is make. Okay. So I'll be clicking on train. Okay, so since this is a feeling detector, it would be detecting if I am happy or sad. So what are the 2 labels that I'll give? The first label, see, I can click over, add new label over here, and then I'll be giving the word happy. And which one is the next label? Can any of you tell me?
Sad.
Sad, very good. Okay.
What is this?
Okay, now can any of you put in the chat what are the different words for happy? Good. Okay, good is there, happy is correct. Okay,
But finish your lecture now.
nice, well, joyful. Wow, such amazing response. Yeah, please continue. Okay, so I got so many response in the chat, so I'm going to use some of it. So the first one would be
So why are you not doing them again?
okay, the first one would be happy, right? Second, okay, awesome. I found amazing. What about amazing?
Great.
Great. I saw in the chat elated.
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic. Okay.
Excited.
Yes.
Exciting.
Miss,
Yeah. Okay. Excited. Okay. Good one.
where do you press when you're done this? Do you press create?
Yes. Once you create, once you have the project
Cheerful.
created, you have to click on the project created and you will come to a place like this and then you click on train. Okay.
No, but I didn't know. I pressed create and I just found a box saying feeling detector recognizing text.
Right. Then please click on it to find the 3 option: train, learn and test and make. Okay.
I already made up 15 synonyms.
Very good. Very good.
So I'm gonna so 15 is okay.
Yeah. Yes. 15 is okay. 15 is great. Let me get some of the words.
Cheerful.
Okay, cheerful. Thank you. Somebody is saying delighted in the chat. Who was it?
Jubilant.
Delighted. Sanvi is saying delighted. Okay.
Surprise.
Delighted. Okay, so I think this is enough for me. How many examples? Okay, maybe I can add one more, 10 examples, right? So one more word, please. Another good word for being happy. Jubilant is good, yes.
Joyful.
So jubilant.
Joyful. Joyful. Wonderful.
Okay, joyful, glad, yes. Great examples, yes, good. Joyful, jubilant. Okay, let me add. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Euphoric.
Thank you so much for this amazing response. I will be stopping it over here for happy. Now, can all of you put in the chat similar words for sad?
Surprise.
Morbid.
Bad.
Depressed.
Gloomy.
Bad.
Yes,
Morbid.
Gloomy.
please
Depressed.
respond in the chat. Okay, depressed, sad,
Morbid. Morbid.
It's bad.
bad. Okay,
Morbid.
please put in the chat. Gloomy is
MORBID.
Abdullah is saying gloomy. Okay.
Unhappy.
Okay. Let me see.
Disgusted.
Okay. Unhappy. Somebody was saying morbid, right? Was it?
It's me.
Okay. What about disturbed?
I think a better word is forlorn.
Disturbed. Okay. More words. Awful. Okay. Kushagra says awful. Oh, sorry. Awful. Okay. Can I get more words in the chat? Lonely. Okay. I need 2 more words. Heartbroken. Okay. Pravit, thank you. Alone. Heartbroken. Alone. Okay.
Isolated.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop it over here. So I have given 11 example for happy and 11 example of the words used when a person is sad. So what am I gonna do now? I'll be going back to the project and then I'll be clicking on learn and test. Okay. So what have we done so far? We have collected examples of text for a computer to use to recognize when the text is happy or sad. Okay. So then,
Wait, ma'am, how did you go back?
yes, over here you can see back to the project, a link to go back to the project. And I can see the 3 words, right? Train, learn and test, and make. And then I click on learn and test. Yes. Okay. So everybody please confirm if you have reached till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Now I'll be clicking on this train new machine learning model. Okay. Okay, and my model was trained. And now I have a model with me. Now what do? I go to make and I click on make. So just 1 minute.
Ma'am, it's still training for me.
Okay, okay. So I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for everybody to reach till here. Okay.
They're saying we can try putting some text.
Right, that is correct. That is correct. I'll wait for everybody to reach till here and then we can test a couple of words, right?
Where do you go to get here?
Okay, you go back. See, after training, see you were in learn and test, right? So once your model is created, you can see, try putting in some text to see how it is recognized based on your training. So these are the things that you can see once the training is done, right? Can I get a response in chat? Okay, Mishika,
Ma'am, what do we
what is
do?
the issue?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What do
where
we
should
do?
we click? Where should we click in Scratch, Python, or
I
app?
cannot do
No,
it.
don't, just wait. Okay, I will
The
continue.
link,
I'll
Ma'am,
continue.
we go to make, right?
the link is not working.
Can you try to refresh the link, Mishika? It's working for everybody else. So just try reloading the link. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am?
yes.
ma'am, my machine learning model is working properly.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna write, I am feeling depressed. Okay. So let's see. See, it is saying the word is recognized as sad, right? The text is recognized as sad with 92% confidence. Just like humans, just like us, sometimes we are high on confidence, sometimes we are low on confidence. So 92% is pretty good number, right? So it
Ma'am?
is just 1 minute, 92% confident that the text over here is sad. Okay, so you also can test if your model is working fine or not. Yes, please continue. Yeah, go ahead.
When I scroll down and what have you done and what's next, I can't find anything.
Do you mean to say in learn and test?
Yes.
Just if it is not working, try going back and coming back to the link. Okay. I mean this one, learn and test. Okay, click on it once again to see if it is loading for you.
Okay.
Okay, now that we have completed the first two steps, one is train and another is learn and test, I will be going ahead with make. Okay, so can everybody of you confirm in the chat if you have done till here? Quickly, come on, quickly.
I didn't tell here, ma'am.
Okay, good.
I finished.
Okay, so now, yes, Hrishat, yes, Hrisha is okay. Someone is telling.
I finished training. It works.
Okay,
I have
I
to
can.
make a code for it.
Yes.
finished.
Just wait. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead with the make, as I see majority of you have done till here. So I'm going to click on make. Okay, then I'll be clicking on Scratch 3. Okay.
Miss, still didn't work.
What didn't work, Haya?
I went back and came back and there's still nothing down.
There is no update if your model was created or not.
No.
Are you sure you have done the first step properly?
I did 3 examples for sad and 3 examples for happy.
Can you try to add more examples, at least maybe like 6 or 7 at least?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll be clicking on Scratch 3 over here. Okay. And then I'll be clicking on Open in Scratch 3. Okay.
What if you know Scratch already?
That is fine. You can follow these steps to create this project, right? To create a chatbot. Okay, so I hope everybody have reached till here. Can I get a yes in chat?
It's loading.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Wait, isn't time up? It's been an hour.
Yeah, just a few more minutes because I have to complete this activity as well. We are
Okay.
almost there.
Miss,
Yes.
and on mine it doesn't say. It says, you need to redo.
Redo the model creation. What is it asking you to redo? Can you please specify?
It says, can you redo the sad and happy thing? It says redo the words.
Yeah, then
Tell you.
please redo the words. Okay. Take fresh example, give at least 6 to 7. The more words you give, the more confident the model will be. So I urge you to give more than 6 to 7 words. Okay, and once you are done, make the model and then come to scratch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll be continuing. Come to events, come to when green flag clicked. Okay, how to get there? Okay, Sila, I hope you have reached scratch. Okay, now I'm taking the when green flag click block. After that, I'll be taking, I want the kitty, or let me take another character, right? Why not? So I'll be taking Abby. Okay. So, and I can give a background as well. So I have done both of that. So then I'll be
Ma'am, we
taking,
changed the character from the cat to Abby.
yeah. You can choose any character that you want, not an
No,
issue.
it's fine. Abby is only easy.
Okay. So when the green flag is clicked, I want AB to ask how you are feeling, right? Because this is a feeling detector, right? Based on the response, you will be said if you are happy or sad. So I'm gonna ask, hello, how are you feeling? Okay, so see, once I click the green flag, Abby asks the question. Now, if I need a response from the user, whoever is using your project, if that person want to give some input, right? Some text, then which block should I use? I should go to sensing. Right, very good, very good. Yes, correct. And I just clear out the question. So this is the block I would use so that I get a response from the user or the person who is using your project. Okay. So after that, I have two things. One is to detect if the person is feeling happy or if the person is feeling sad. So I have two conditions here with me. So which block will I use? Please respond in chat.
Answer.
Please respond in chat. I don't see any response.
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat?
My question is, I have two conditions. Okay, one is I have to detect, the machine has to detect if the text is happy or the text is sad. So I have two conditions, right? Again,
Yes.
no, it is not variable. Okay, Neva is saying if else. Okay, correct. Any other response?
Ma'am, when you say you want the answer, in sensing, you need to click on answer and you need to use an if else block.
Yes, correct. That is absolutely correct. Yes, very good. Ralph is saying if else. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go with if else. Okay, so once I have done so far, I'm going to go to operators and take the equality operator, equal to operator. Okay. Can all of you do till there?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. And then
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be going to the model that I have created. What is the model name? Feeling detector. I'll be clicking on that. And then I will take the first block, recognize text.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you need to do the same background as you did?
Just 1 minute. Okay. Mishika, yes, please enter through another device. Yeah, okay, I got you. Yes. Okay, so who was asking about the backdrop? Yeah. Hello, is there any question?
No.
Okay, then I'm
He
going
asked
to...
if you have to use the same background as you used.
No, not at all. You can use according to your creativity, not an issue. So I'll be placing this block in the first blank, and I have to recognize from the text given by the user. So where will be the... Right, correct, very good. So in the answer, I can find the response or the text given by the user. So I'll be using this block, and I'll be, then can any of you tell me if what is the next thing? Any idea? Right. I have
Happy.
yeah, right. So if the text is equal to happy, right, then make AB say something, else it is automatically sad, right? So respond accordingly. So if the text is recognized to be happy, I will be making AB say, what should I make AB say?
That's great.
Okay, so I'll be saying that's great to know. How about that? Great to know. And if the person responded, response was sad, okay, if it is detecting the text as sad, then what should AB say?
I feel sorry for you.
Okay, I feel sorry for you. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna press the green flag, right? I can here, give my response over here. So I'm just gonna write, I feel amazing. And let's see. Oh, see, since it was recognized as a happy word, Abby responded as, that's great to know. Okay. So please respond in chat if everybody have done till here.
Yeah.
Am I right to write? I wrote I feel okay. So then it says that I feel sorry for you.
It is because of the, how many examples did you give?
I didn't write for okay, that's the thing. I mean,
Oh,
maybe if people say okay, that means they are feeling boring. I mean, not saying me, just saying.
haha. Okay, so the the recognition works on the base of examples that you have given. So it will respond accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to make your model more accurate, why don't you give more and more of examples? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mom, my model is working.
very good. Very good. Yes. So I hope all of you are done till here. Can I get a response in chat?
Yeah. I'm done, miss. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I can see Elaine saying yes, it works and I'm done. Okay. Ashmita, what's the problem for you?
Miss,
Yes.
I cannot find this extension.
You can't see, it is not an extension. You automatically get it once you trained your model and then you click on make, right? That is when you will get it. It is not there in the extension. Once you create the model, it will automatically come. So you, okay?
Yes.
So please make sure that you have developed the model, and then you have to click on make and redirect yourself to Scratch 3. So that is when you will get it automatically. So that is it for today's lesson. So
Can I share my screen?
what is the issue?
Can I show you something?
Okay.
I did.
Okay, Gerard, please share your screen.
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead. So you haven't put when green flag clicked, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Right.
so now press the green flag. Right. Okay, go ahead. How many examples did you give?
15.
Okay, okay, just do one thing. Come back to Scratch.
Sure.
Now type a good sentence like I am, in the whole word should be there. Right? I space am feeling. Just come back to the words that you have given. For example, okay. Oh, wait, you have got the blocks.
It only
all-
recognizes if you just put the word. You don't put the sentence.
See, you have got the block wrong. Okay, just 1 minute. Come back to feeling detector.
Sure.
Yes, take the first block out of it. Yes, now in the place of text, put answer. Now for the operator equal to on the left side, I need you to put this block instead of answer, right? So you coded it wrong. That's why you are not able to get the correct answer. Now try once again.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, guys, so I'll be
No, ma'am. Actually, he forgot to write the say block instead of switching positive.
no. See, what he replaced the say block using the ask block, and he just asked the question directly, so that is fine. So Ralph, is it Ralph? Oh no, it's Gerard, right? Can you stop? Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing your screen. Now I am going to give a
So do I put this on the project for the Google Forms?
just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Let me get the link. Just 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I show you my project?
See, since the time is up, I have to rush in very quickly now, since I'm making all of you wait. So I'll be putting the link. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
If Manshi is over here, can you put the link, Manshi? Please don't forget to fill the link or the form, or else you won't be able to get the certificate.
Ma'am, did you send the link?
No, I'm just sending it right now.
Miss,
Yes.
I can't see the link.
Yes, just 1 minute, dear. Just 1 minute. Yes, everybody able to see the link right now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so don't forget to fill the form, or else you won't be able to get your certificate. So that's it for today. Yes.
Ma'am, we have done 2 projects, so we need to put both the
Ma'am,
projects.
what
or only-
link do we need to put? Yeah.
Just 1 minute. How do we share the project? You don't have to share the project. Just 1 minute.
Miss,
Do you have to share the Facebook recognition one or the like how you feel one?
You can share the one that you created. Both you can share, okay, or just go with one. The last one would also suffice. So you can share the link of that project through the form, okay?
ma'am, last class I didn't get the certificate because my laptop got disconnected.
Did you fill the form? If you miss filling the form, you won't be able to get the certificate. Yes. So is there any more questions?
Miss, what is the first question in the form? I didn't understand it.
What is the
Miss?
first question? Email. Is that what you're asking? You can type in your email, your name, your phone number, then all the feedback.
Ma'am, how do we send the link of our project?
You can share it. There will be a link, right? Just on the Scratch itself. You can click on share, or let me see.
Ma'am?
You first have to save it, right?
Okay.
And then share your link. Okay, so that will be it for today's
Wait, ma'am.
class. Can you all mute?
How do you send a link though? I
We are
don't
not
get it.
able
I
to,
don't know how
upload
to
it.
send the link.
You can't upload it over there. You can
You-
only send the link.
Right, you can't upload it. Just copy the link and put it over here on the feedback form.
You mean the web
On
address
which
on
link?
the top?
Okay, just 1 minute. See, on the top of the screen, you are having a link, right? You can copy that, right? And put it in the form, correct?
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, regarding this, please share the project name and link
I'm getting confused. First of all, do we have to save our project, and also how do we what? How
You
do we
can-
name? How do
Yes.
we name the part where please share the project name and link? What do we do in there?
So
Like, what do we type
if-
in there?
if you already have an account, okay, you can save the project and share the link. Or what you can do, you can copy from the URL on top of the screen, right? You can see the URL.
Ma'am,
Just
when we
copy
try to
from
open that URL in the new tab, it opens to a new.
It opens a new, like an entirely new project. It does.
Yeah.
We can't see our
Exactly.
project. in it.
Okay, just
Ma'am, also it says project name. Ma'am, is it okay if we write the link only?
that is fine. So those who are facing that issue, please log into your account and then try to share the link. Okay.
Ma'am, I've shared the link. I've typed it down. I've copied it.
Okay, yes. Just one more thing. I just need a big clap for everybody who has attended this session. So can I get a round of applause for everybody?
Wait. Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, how do we submit?
After you fill the form, please click on submit button.
No, I mean submit the link. I mean.
Okay,
Can I,
that's what I
share my
said.
screen?
You please log into your account. Once you save the project, right, then you will be able to share the link. Okay.
So now I have to make an account in this, right? Okay.
Yeah, okay. So that
Ma'am?
will be it for today's session. I hope you all had a wonderful time. Please do, once again, please do fill the form. And thank you for joining. Okay, so see you in the next. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.